Yay!
What is up, guys? We're on our way to Costa. I'll see you guys later.
What's up, guys?
No, that's me. And that's the intro of the video. Go.
No. Cut the order. Let's go.
Take me to your best friend's house.
Wrong thing. That's the button for the I'm on video.
Oh. Yeah,
What's up, guys? We're in the airport. We're gonna be in Costa soon. We'll see you there. Galore!
Couples are being
Turbulence was amazing. I loved it. I had so much fun. But these two were about to cry and start kissing.
wow.
So we just went through immigration and we're out. And it was the line was like long, but it went by quick, like low key. Like it was chill. And now we're gonna go on the bus. I thought we were gonna be 5-hour bus.
Oh, it's a video?
Yes. Where are we going? We're going to the hotel.
And then Walmart.
We're not going to the shul bala.
Oh, yay!
Our suitcases made it.
Hi guys, so right now we're like in the airport and we're waiting like para el carrito because we're really bored and I'm so hungry. And I have bladder issues. Hola, ¿cómo están todos? Mora, aquí está Mora, la mejor valedictoria.
Te amo.
Yay. Quick little update. We're on the bus. We just ate at the hotel that we're staying at tonight. Hello. I forgot to film yesterday after we got to the hotel, but we just had dinner and then we did like a couple activities and then we had like free time. And we ate ramen because we didn't like food. But I will make more of an effort to film. So today we are
Going to a synagogue in Niagara Falls.
So we are going to a waterfall after the synagogue and then hot springs. So we will keep them updated. Okay, now I am. We are. Oh my god. We are. Where are we going?
My big
The
toe is in so
synagogue?
much pain.
Do you guys want to say hi to the vlog? So we're walking towards the synagogue. Look how pretty.
Hello everyone, welcome to our second day in Costa Rica. We're having the best time ever.
Woohoo!
This is
We are in the synagogue. Praying. We're going to the waterfall. See you there.
Hi guys. We made it to the waterfall. They don't want to.
Damn, boy.
We just finished eating.
Fire grub.
Actually, it was like mid.
Hi guys, look at my boy Luca Wine. He's him.
Alright. Guys, look at the hummingbirds. Oh my god. I'm so scared. Leo got one.
Leo broke the wings of it. Yeah, sure.
Hey guys, we're going to the waterfall and we have a glamour
Cheetah. Let's look at it.
Wow, glamour. Are we gonna put these all together? Yeah.
We're a few minutes away from the waterfall, but there's a really pretty lake with slush
No,
water.
that is the waterfall.
No, the big one where you stand over there.
Oh, this is like the street.
This is like where we're going.
Say hi.
What's up, guys?
We're back with episode number 2.
Of hiking in Costa Rica.
So we're here hiking to the waterfall. Nice
Oh my god, I found a wild grizzly bear in front of us.
Look at that man.
So we're in the shuttle now, coming back from the waterfall of La Paz. Hey, we go to hot springs. Peace out, gang.
¿Dónde?
¿Quieres que te la chupe?
Hello guys, we are at the hot springs. Oh, the lighting is so bad.
Hey guys! So we just finished in the hot springs and we're really fun. And now we're eating. La comida está como más o menos, pero está bien.
The pineapple is so good.
I'm not feeling the best.
Vicky and Liam are about to go. Se están cagando los dos. Y
I'm skipping the rest.
You got it. Me estoy cagando. A ver abajo.
Por allá.
Stop!
Yo, what up? Purple and orange. We out here ziplining. We'll record back when we're rappelling.
Wait, is it a vlog?
It's raining.
Wait, can I talk to the vlog?
Yeah.
Alright, so today we're going on the, I hope lightning strikes. So.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye, love you.
Okay, guys, I'm next.
She left. Guys, I'm nervous.
Probably not really see, but Mora just finished.
We're at a farm.
We're at a food
farm. We're in a maze, and we're trying. Yeah, and we just tried some chocolate cacao beans.
Started. So we're eating breakfast and then going to school and then horseback riding. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey guys, so today we went, where did we go? Oh, we went horseback riding.
And before that to the school.
Oh yeah, and we helped the little kids and we watched the little show. And right now we are in a 4-hour bus ride currently. Fine.
Hey guys, we made it to the last hotel. We're getting our rooms now. Are you getting the key?
The lights went off. Hi guys. It's so hot in here. Happy Shabbos! We are locked outside of our room.
The key card broke.
No. This is coming. We'll update you guys later. It's Friday night. We just had Shabbat and activities and free time. And tomorrow morning is free day, so we get to wake up at whatever time we want. See you in the morning.
What is up, guys? We're on a side quest.
Hey guys, it's 8:34 and we had to wake up at. The boys are DJ.
I'll go in the back.
Let's go, GoPro. We about to go banana boating and
Yes, sir.
these kids are gonna be seventh wheeling.
We're gonna be there at 5 to 7 wheel.
Yes, Chop.
What is up, guys? Let's go, guys! Oh, go! Yeah. Let's go!
Hey guys, we just finished banana boating. Funnest shit ever. And we all jumped off at the end. Woo!
Hi guys, I'm Eric. It's currently like
We crashed.
it's 7:46 and a dumbass guy just crashed into us. So basically we were stopped and this guy just drove and went into us, and this is my black eye because I fell in tubing. I'm not gonna say what else happened. And I love you guys.
Hey guys, we're water rafting.
What is up, guys? Welcome back. We're a bit sad because it's our last day here, but we've had so much fun. Like, it's our last night. We just finished eating dinner. We went whitewater rafting today, and it was absolutely stoked, baby. See you guys at the airport.
Hey guys, we're at the airport and we want Starbucks.
So, our trip is sadly coming to an end. We're currently at the airport.
What's the first meal you're eating?
Sushi. Nah, sushi today, Chipotle.
So Israeli.